Hello everybody, today I will talk to you about web map service, how we can create web map service, how we can share our map service to ArcGIS Online. Firstly, we need some data. This is my test data. We must firstly prepare our data symbology, which symbology we want to show to other websites. We want to make some symbology layers. Now I make some simple symbology for my map layers. I want to choose unique value, image English, as type 1. Yes, I prepare my symbologies here, my country names. I open the labels. I must configure label symbology names too. I must choose field name. I think that yes, this is my field and my country names. Okay, you imagine that we prepare all layer symbology, all layer labelings. Now next step is we must share our web map service. I click share menu. We must choose map service share. If you want to share your web map service, you must know what is map service. I can tell you that map service type is different types. It's Esri types and ArcGIS types. Map service types: map service, feature service, web processing service. This is a big processing. If you want to understand this, you can learn about this. Now I simply show you how we can publish web map service. We click web layer button and see publish web layers. We click web layers. We can see here default parameters. This is web map service names. This one, this name is taken from these names. This is save it ArcGIS files names. I want to change these names with my one. City names. I must add some summary. Now I copy and paste this. I must add some text. In here we must choose layer types, feature service or tile service or vector tile service. Now I choose create feature service. Feature service means is that we can create, edit, update and delete all of geometry types or attribute types. If you want to learn about this, you can check Esri documentation about this. There have some locations. I have default location and other locations. If you want to create a new folder for your map service, you can click create new folder buttons. Now I create my new folders. This here I add my service under these folders. Share with, if you want to share with your or company or your groups, you can choose WebGIS is my groups. Or if you want to share all of pupils, you must choose everyone's. In next sections, there have configuration page. You'll see that there have features, map service configurations. You can here configure all of options. enable editing, allow editors to. If you activate this button, all of people of all of user can add in this geometry data, can delete and updates, or only attributes updates, or attributes and geometry updates in these sections. Additional layers, additional web service layers is web feature service layers. The web feature service layers is ArcGIS standards map service types. Esri company also adds these service types is here because Esri company strategy has supports ArcGIS types. If you want to ArcGIS types, you must click here. So, okay, we click and we can edit other options if you want to some additional configuration. Now I don't know other configuration. Okay, we must analyze what happens in this stage. If you don't have good results, there have some mistakes or errors. Now we have two mistakes and error. One is unique number IDs. In ArcGIS Pro, always want unique number IDs for each geometry parcels. Now we can create automatically this auto sign sequential. Okay, I analyze again. Other error is VFS layer must be shared with everyone, because you remember that when I share my map service, I choose only my company, my groups. In VFS requirements we must choose everyone's. Okay, analyze again. Okay, there doesn't any errors. We can publish our map service. This process takes some minutes. Okay, I come ArcGIS Online. When we publish ArcGIS Pro or map service, this map service added ArcGIS Online. I open my ArcGIS Online account. I sign in again. Okay, now I'm in ArcGIS Online, my accounts. I come to content sections. There is all of my published map service and mobile package, other things in my account is here. That's why I choose my folders. I create folders when my service is published. Now publishing VFS layer service, I see all of results in these folders. I think that it's ready. When we publish map service, we create new folder. This is my folder's names, and here is my future service and VFS service. I show you our map publishing is completely very successful. Okay, we now come to map service. First I want to check web features service. Web feature service, I told that this is ArcGIS standard map service. You know that ArcGIS open source desktop application is Quantum GIS. Now I will add this map service URL to Quantum QGIS. Now you see how we can use web map service. You know that this is QGIS. I come here, these sections. I want to add my VFS service in these sections. Add new connection. Add here my service URL. I configure my URL. This part it for me. I add here active one, WFS service. So I add my WFS services here. My services connection is needs. Okay. Oh, web feature service is ready now. Okay, my service is loading. Now I will show other things. If you want to configure your map service or web feature service in this setting sections help you. You can explore, or you can make other options in this area. Now we look feature service. What's feature service? In this section you can see feature service configuration. You can open ArcGIS Online. You can publish it as tiler, lecture, or just a feature standards. You update, you export data, share data, all of things. You can take this map service URL from here. This is map service URL. Our feature layers name is next one. You can in here you can check your map service work or no. I add some query here. Output fields, I want all of fields return me. This is feature service. Okay, now here I can see all of my feature attributes here. It's one object and add two objects, all of attributes in here. We can check it here. Okay, my web feature service is ready from ArcGIS. Now I want to give my service export access, and I want to export this service data. I push settings buttons and configure this. I can let any pupils edit this service. There are all of options. If you which one interesting for you, you can read or you can extract. Now I give export data access for my service. I save it again. Okay, I come ArcGIS and want to export my some features. Export data. I add all of data. Test data to my default. Export now. Okay, it's ready. This is our web feature service. We can export our data from feature service. Why we must create feature service? If we want to share our GIS data with other companies, other pupils, or we want to use our data from GIS applications and other things, we must create web map service. That's why we can create web feature service or web map service or ArcGIS standards. In this process you need ArcGIS Online. If you don't have any ArcGIS Online license, you must take ArcGIS server license. All of process, all of service you need. Now I use ArcGIS Online. You can choose ArcGIS server or GIS server for creating or configuration map service. ArcGIS Online is very user-based interface. Give us all of people can collect or can publish data from ArcGIS Online. I can click on my data noise public data. If you want public data, I can save. All of process you can configure in this sites. Also you can add some special index for your layers for make very speedy your layers. Okay, I come back my content. I think that's enough for map service. Thank you very much.